Okay, everybody, I'm going to explain your take-home kits now. Everyone's take-home kit is in a brown paper bag. Let's see what's inside. The first thing in your take-home kits is your math book. I might assign you a page to do while you're at home on your virtual days. The second thing in your take-home kit is a little dry erase board paddle. You're also getting a dry erase marker. Next, you will find this clear plastic sleeve. The sleeve will be used to put things inside of, and then you can write on the sleeve with your dry erase marker and erase it. You have 3 different papers that could go in your sleeve as of right now. And the last thing are some chips. Friends, I'm going to continue sending things home with you to keep at home, to keep with your take-home stuff. So you might get more stuff as the year goes on. And friends, as of right now, you don't need to worry about any of your take-home stuff. I will let you know when you need to use your take-home materials for your virtual days. Try to find a nice, safe spot in your house to keep your bag. And that's all about your take-home bags.